Okay, I guess we're done.
And now we got these lights popping up. So all I gotta do is just drive this car for maybe a few miles or so, and hopefully these lights will eventually come off. You know, that's one thing when you tune something, right? All right, I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and do it. What's going on, boys and girls of all ages? Eddie Jeezy back on duty. It is a beautiful day, so I finally got my Ktuner installed this morning. It was an easy process. All you have to do is download the Ktuner app to your laptop, and from that point on, you just follow the directions. Everything is crystal clear, and now we are ready to demonstrate the Ktuner installed on my 2018 Honda Accord LX. So now we're getting that extra, I believe, what, about 50 extra horsepower, as well as about 48 pound-feet of torque. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so stick around, don't touch that eye. All right, folks, so we're just gonna get out of the neighborhood real quick. So here's the breakdown, I guess. For stage one, it says apparently you'll get about, what, almost 38 extra horsepower, as well as 30 pound-feet of torque. That's for stage one. Because of the fact that I got the LX, I got the LX model. What I had to do was I had to do the stage 2 target 2, which means to say that when it's on eco mode, it's on stage 1. And then after that, it doesn't matter, because, you know, as an LX, you don't have the sports button. And then when you go to the regular mode, that's pretty much stage 2. So, woo! Oh man, I feel that torque. Oh boy. Oh well, let's get on the freeway. Can't wait to hop on the freeway. Yeah, folks, feels like I'm driving a brand new car, you know. But when you do tune it, just make sure you click on the parameters. And what I did was I put the throttle response on number 2, not the third one, because I don't want my pedometer to get damaged or the sensor to start going off. So I put it on the throttle response at 2, and then I got the turbo all the way maxed up to the 3 level, which is the max. So that's the tune that I have. It's pretty basic. So far so good. I'm loving this. It feels a lot more powerful. All right, we're gonna make a turn here, and then we're gonna go ahead and whoa, that is extra torque. I'm loving it. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. A whole new beast right here, man, with the Ktuner. I'm telling you, folks, for all you people who's been contemplating about the Ktuner, well, it's the cheapest way to get your performance going. And trust me, I've had this car for 2 years. I've waited for the warranty to expire. Well, mine's almost expired, so I finally got the Ktuner. I had it installed this morning. It was an easy process, and guess what? I'm really, really happy. I mean, this thing hauls ass with all the extra torque. I mean, we are gone. Now I'm going about 100 miles an hour on the freeway. Oh yeah. Well, slow down now. Slow down. Woo! Well. In conclusion, I love my Ktuner. And I just want to thank all my fans for putting up with me, all my videos, and for all the views. We finally hit over 1 million views 3 days ago, and I just want to thank you guys. It's what motivated me, to provide advice and guidelines to all you folks who likes to modify your Honda, your Accord, your Civic. But yeah, it's been 2 years, and I finally got this whole car project complete. Now that I'm probably done with the exterior part, we're just going to be focusing on the performance part. I don't know how much performance we can put into this model. It is a 1.5T. Well, I'm going to be holding on to this car for about 2 to 3 years, to be honest. Probably when I graduate, maybe if we can afford another one, we'll go for another Honda, and we'll start right back from the base modification. We'll start the channel right back up with the 11th generation. We'll see. All right. So, folks, I'm really happy. Thank you so much. We finally surpassed that 1 million views. That's right. Shout out to all y'all. Peace. Eddie G. We out.